This video provides a brief overview of the options available for effectively and efficiently exporting assets from 3D content creation tools to your Unity project. For this example, we'll take a look at Maya. However, for the most part, the basic principles apply to any 3D software package. Let's first take a look at file formats for export to Unity. Unity will only accept polygons, so any NURBS or surface patches will need to be converted to polygons before exporting. Unity can handle native Maya formats, that is, Maya ASCII or .ma, as well as Maya binary or .mb. Simply save your .ma or .mb files into your Unity project's asset folder. However, you may find a bit of a delay with the import of these file types into Unity. Behind the scenes, Unity needs to convert this file into a format that Unity can work with. Native Maya files can often be quite bloated with nodes that are unnecessary to Unity. So if working with Maya file formats is what you prefer, keep your scene light and simple. For this reason, the preferred format for export, regardless of 3D content creation software you are using, is FBX. You are better off having your project set up in your software package, in this case Maya, and then when ready, export your data via FBX. Often there are two basic choices for FBX export: export selected or export entire scene. To keep your FBX files smaller, bake your animation, either beforehand or within the FBX export options. In the FBX export options in Maya, we can see some handy preferences available. Aside from baking animation, there's also a key reducer to lighten the file. For texture exporting, there are two basic options: embedding textures or not. Embedding textures will create a larger overall FBX file, as it will also create a materials or .fbm folder containing your exported textures. Let's look at some tips for exporting data to Unity. Delete history on your static meshes. Delete non-deformer history on your animated objects. Keep everything polygons. Ideally, work with the Unity project texture folder when exporting texture maps. Check your normals and include smoothing groups in export options, for example, for hard and soft edges. Keep it simple. Export only what you need. Be sure you are running the latest FBX plugin. Now we took a look at exporting Maya files as well as some of the basic FBX options. Let's examine two very handy features within recent releases of Maya. Under the File menu, there exists Game Exporter. This is a great tool for exporting data to a generic project setting. Using FBX behind the scenes, the Game Exporter allows you to define a specific path or project folder. Another handy feature is the Animation tab that allows you to define animation takes at export time. Lastly, Maya contains a built-in Unity exporter. Here you can define your Unity project and then quickly export directly. Essentially, this is a quick access to the FBX export option with the convenience of having the Unity project folder defined. This overview provides some of the basics for best practices of translating your data from Maya to Unity. Regardless of the 3D software package you use, the same principles apply. So go ahead and create something cool and have fun with Unity.